Guess what today is? Today we are picking up our Ford Transit, Ruth. There she is, the beauty. Beautiful big white whale.
This is dreams coming true right here. Yay. Proud van owner.
How nice and big these things are.
Driving it home.
Step 1 to van life, buy a van. Check.
Step 2, spend the next year converting it.
It's so big!
Driving the van home. Woo! Welcome to the official start of our van build. This is our 2017 Ford Transit High Roof Extended.
We are going to build this out into a camper van that's capable of having 2 workstations, a full battery bank, solar, all the ways to charge it, so that we can work from the road.
We bought this van used, so the first thing we're going to do in the van build is a bit of maintenance. We bought it knowing it needed a few things, so we're going to take care of those first. Like we said, Ruth is a 2017 Transit 250 High Roof Extended. She is equipped with the optional dents, dings, scratches, rust in both the side and rear windows. For the engine, we opted for the 3.5 liter EcoBoost for all that turbo hill-killing power. She is nicely broken in with around 120,000 gentle miles on the clock. It has 1 million cup holders, no other options, and one giant cargo area for us to build our tiny home. We're going to tell you important things about the build, such as how long things take, and more importantly, how much do they really cost.
So, tune in next Wednesday to see the start of our build.
Wait.
Today,
Available sales to the customer building, please. Available sales, customer building, please.
you can learn anything on YouTube.